tilt my head back and forth.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Muddy Veins. I know one thing, it is very interesting what happens when just you and your wife go out on a kid-free day. The night before, we drop off the kids, we decide to set limb lines. Didn't go as planned. The river actually wound up still being too dangerous to be on. So we decided to play it safe and we went the opposite direction on a smaller part of the river that turns into a creek and blah, blah, blah. So we're venturing off back there and we're like, we're coming back here tomorrow. We're gonna come back here, we're gonna set lines here tomorrow, we're gonna go get some bait fish, and if we don't get the bait fish, at least we had fun and we could just use some hot dogs and stuff for our lines. I woke up the next morning, did our chores, filled up the cooler, grabbed the boat, the kids' fishing rods and reels, and we hit the water. And this is what we did for 7 hours. Before you keep on watching, pause, grab a pair of headphones, and then watch. The conversations that the wife and I have when we are kid-free. Epic. Some light drag, did you hear that?
Mm-hmm. Did you actually get it?
Gotcha.
I just want to catch a fish. I did. Just want to catch one.
Got one.
You know that trouble. Be fine, but that's where I struggle. You just threw the pole in? Did the fish stay on?
Yeah, but that hurt my hand. Why you don't fish with a hurt hand? Right there. You catch a stick in the ocean. Alright, so we made it all the way up the river where we were fishing, and now we're in this little shallow spot, so we're literally parking the boat. Well, what the hell do you call it? This ain't docking. Whatever, we anchored the boat to some rocks, and we're gonna go upstream a little bit more where it gets shallow, so if we catch more fish. Okay, we'll be back. I got a bear in my hand, but you know what?
We're not on a boat though, so.
Exactly, I'm afraid to start. I'll do.
Redneck innovation, man.
Yeah, it's right on my nuts too. How in the world were there catfish back here? There were some big fish back here.
I know that I saw at least
Right
three.
here is where we saw that one big one. I'm looking.
And I saw a big one right before we got stuck on that rock.
I'm looking and I don't see any. Are you a turtle?
Where?
No, it's a leaf. Right here. That's what's up, man. These turtles blend so well.
That's what I'm saying. If a turtle eats my toe. Oh.
Here it is. Oh.
See? Didn't go the way I wanted to either.
You look that way towards mine, I look this way. Hey, gentlemen. Don't take your wife to one of those fancy Korean, Japanese places where the minnows eat your feet. It's like $25–50. Just bring her to the creek. This woman's been standing here for 20 minutes having minnows eat on her feet.
I mean, there's at least 15 on my right foot right now. It tickles. Well, it's wiggling, it's trying to stay down and eat at the same time, and it's in between my toe-toes.
What all is in the pocket?
I was about to just ask you, what all did you have in your pocket for you to get worried about?
Lens cover.
Now, I got two things in my pocket. This one to this side.
And come back over here.
Because it's stretching out my shorts.
Alright, so that was fun. We were over here for about maybe 30–35 minutes. 40 minutes. Chelsea was too busy getting the minnows to eat dead nastiness off her feet. But now we're going to go ahead and just, I don't know, try to find some bait for tonight. We want to set limb lines, so that's actually why we're here. Besides the kid-free. we're trying to get bait for our limb lines. And
Yeah.
I forgot to mention this. We've been rocking these crickets from Walmart. I don't know, I think I paid like $3 for them. We've been rocking them, and also we've been rocking the Doc Demon Deluxe spinner reel. It's our kids' rods and reels, but they have been doing... I mean, we only got one fish. I got a fish earlier so far, but everything about this rod and reel setup is awesome for what we're doing right now, because we didn't want to put a lot of gear in the boat, so we wanted to only focus on having fun. So we filled up the cooler and we got the kids' rods and reels. Don't tell them. Shh. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move down the river now. Actually, I mean, too bad we didn't have the kayaks. We could actually probably go further.
No,
well, I mean, we could walk further.
No, we can paddle that. I don't think we'll get stuck if we paddle. I don't think that we're going to be able to use the...
Well, I kind of want to find more bait, and they were just jumping over here, so let's go over here.
Let's go back down, or up the river.
Up, down. No, this is up the... what is this, a creek?
Woody.
Caught a leg. That's a good shot. No, you go ahead, keep on fishing.
Nope.
Look at it.
Only thing about these little poles is that everything else on them is so little. Where was that at? Right there? How'd you get your pole faster than I did?
I've been doing this longer?
Oh, that's cheating. So if you get the fish before I do, it was technically mine, so it's my fish.
Who comes up? No! That is not. No. The 3 followed, but...
Well, you just watch out, okay? I'll just sit right here.
He's got it. He's got it. Pull, pull, pull. Nope, he doesn't have it. Oh, you got one!
He's so little!
He's so little. We'll still use it.
I got a fish!
Hell yeah! One
What
just
the?
jumped over my line. I hope I got that on camera. One just like jumped 7 feet and cleared my line.
Well, I was distracted talking to you when I got the baby.
I know, I was like, oh, he's got it. No, he doesn't have it. Oh, yeah, you got something, but it's definitely, that was an aggressive little baby right there. Think you're going to take on an entire grasshopper.
Oh,
Grasshopper, that's what, no?
I have one looking. It is a grasshopper.
Yeah, grasshopper. I've been telling people it's a cricket. You'd be amazed. I snapped my line, but I still saved the fish.
Because isn't that one bigger than your other? There we go.
That's the biggest one we got, but that's a good.
Okay, look.
No, that's not cool. Now my left arm's not going to get any sun.
Okay, then you can block my head.
No, what the? Supposed to be fishing.
I am fishing. I'm fishing for some sun rays.
Got him. Oh, he is hooked good.
Well, that one's pretty.
That is pretty. Get it. Why y'all look at it funny? It's a freaking cricket.
It's a grasshopper.
A grasshopper, whatever.
That's why they're looking at it funny, because you keep on calling it the wrong name. Maybe we should ask the viewers what they think it is. You already showed it.
It's a grasshopper, but I'm pretty sure it's called cricket on the bait.
I mean, that is a grasshopper.
It looks like see, but it said cricket on the box. I'm pretty sure it did.
Oh, that's a grasshopper.
That's a grasshopper.
And the only reason I know because I've seen Pinocchio. The grasshopper.
He's a cricket.
Is he really?
Yes, Jimmy Frodo.
Oh, Jiminy Cricket.
Whatever.
You can edit that out.
I said Jimmy Frodo.
We're both wrong.
We were. Yeah, but at least I was right that he was a cricket.
I don't care. You called him Jimmy Frodo. Frodo's from Lord of the Rings.
Yes. And Jimmy, I don't know, Jimmy Fallon?
No, his name's Jiminy Cricket.
Oh. Well, there we go.
Oh! You almost got me in the face.
Hey, it's okay. I got him.
All right. Bam, fishy.
Another one for the line.
We suck. We need to have a refresher on our Disney movies. And here's Lenny getting another one. Doesn't matter how many times I cast out, I can't get anything.
Get in the fucking boat. Woo-wee. Good day today. We don't
Bait fish.
It's definitely bluegill.
And it was seriously, like, I don't know, 30 seconds ago that I took the last video, and Lenny just threw that in the boat. So, yay!
Dude, we're over here trying to get away from a storm that's coming in, or a stale, I don't know what you would call it, but we're on the creek, and I got the biggest bluegill that I've ever, oh my God. Holy crap. And it's peeing. Look at it, it's peeing. Woo!
Oh my, Lenny!
Oh, it's on my foot.
You just put it on my leg.
It's peeing. I wasn't kidding. Oh, I wish I had the live thing. That is awesome.
Looks like we've got
Look,
to
no, here, hold on.
beat these storms a little bit.
I know this is gonna look awkward because we're working, I got a hurt hand here, but that is that grasshopper from Walmart and the duck demon.
the duck
I just
demon.
got the biggest bluegill I have ever got in my life. Holy crap. That's a good one to fry up too, but we're gonna use you for bait to get bigger fish. Got another one. Oh.
Well, that's another pretty one too. And I got a baby one. Oh. All right, now we hold it. There we go.
That is awesome. More bait. There we go.
Oh, Lenny.
Did you get some?
No.
That was on camera. It is so in the vlog.
Not today, Bigfoot. Not today.
Yeah, we're real country.
Yeah, because we believe in Bigfoot.
We're gonna go get some bait for limb lines 30 minutes later. They don't want rapid, they don't. Motherfucker!
That's on camera. Lenny caught a tree. It's a pretty tree. I think I might just tan. No, you're up in there.
He's got it. Mother!
Do they float? They don't float. I no longer have 300. No, they don't float.
I'm sorry, baby. Well, at least you had a new meaning for new sunglasses.
But those lasted like 10 years.
Way longer than 10 years. I'm pretty sure we got them before. Don't sit there and cry. Are you kidding me? Oh,
I only lost 2 pairs of yours, and one of them was $5. Ow!
Pull out the tree. I'm on them. I just need to figure out what they want. Come on. What
Those
they
my
want.
sunglasses.
Sunglasses. That's what you did.
And nope, I guess I need to get a floating pair.
Oh, that's good. They're hungry. It's just that's what I like about this bait, but I hate about it because
I know this is all we brought too, isn't it?
oh yeah, because it's like the ultimate one. to get it down deep and then you could slow it down, it takes a lot of effort. And since we're so close to them, like, okay, bass, when you get over them, they don't think about it. When you get over their head, they're like, yeah, food, and they take it. Or they're aggressive and like, what the hell are you doing in my bubble? Bluegill, they're like, oh, is that good?
So they're a Chelsea fish.
Basically, don't know what they want to.
They don't know what they want to eat, but they know that they love food, and
definitely
more than
not where I
likely
was
they're
going.
just gonna eat it anyway.
That's definitely not where I was going. You see that floating stick right there?
Yeah.
There's one like following that floating stick. Each kid has given me a certain saying in my life.
What was those?
You tell me and I forget, but
Eat.
I get it. There's eat and something else that I like actually said. Alright, I think we're talking about this. By the way, I'm sorry that the lighting's bad. I'm just talking, so it's not a big deal. You already watched the video, very interesting. But in case y'all didn't catch, amongst the weirdest conversations ever, the wife and I, we were rocking these dock demons. They're like 15 bucks at Walmart for the spinner combo. You know, it's a 4-pound test line, and then we were rocking, like I said, or cricket grasshopper. It's a grasshopper. You can find it in the crappie section at Walmart. They got 3 different colors: a chartreuse and yellow. I think they got a black and yellow, and then they got the gold one. I like the gold one. The gold one seems to work best. But yeah, 7 hours on the river. We caught ourselves 10, 11 fish.
You caught 12 fish, and
okay, well, we caught we'll just say it together. We did it since we were together. But one more thing, guys. I'm looking at my numbers for my channel. 70% of y'all are watching the channel, but you're not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button. You're watching it anyway. You're watching it anyway. And if you really like watching my channel, hit the notification. If you don't know what that is, it's the bell. And then hit that like button. Smash it. Don't lick it, because I don't think it picks up on the smartphone. Just smash that like button. Today is 4th of July. We're gonna go spend some time with some family. I gotta go help other family. And for you die-hard fans, it is also America Day.